So here is the dealio. I'm always looking for a good deal. Obviously, I got the land for free. So getting tools to take care of that land, I want to get a good deal on those too. Also want good tools. Well, I recently found some good deals at the old big box store, the Homeo Depot. Picked up some stuff here on clearance. Really good prices. Let's check it out. All right, 140 bucks and some change. Echo E-Force 56 volt. Like I said, everything is electric. 5-year consumer warranty. That's awesome. And this is the one that I can attach things to. 140 bucks for that? Sweet. Oh yeah, this 600 and some odd dollar chainsaw I got for 250 bucks. We're gonna use that today. Also, shake your booty. Got some Pennington lawn booster and perennial ryegrass. This stuff is normally $16 or $20 a bag, and I got it for $5. And these were $5 a bag, normally $18, I believe. So this also has some fertilizer in it with seed. We're just gonna, throw it down, go to town. So we're gonna get this guy open, get rid of the garbage, check it out. See what we're working with. I checked out a bunch of the Echo tools when I was down at the Equip Expo this year. Lots of cool stuff. I learned a lot, and it was very cool to check out. We got a power head here, battery, charger, instruction manuals for the power head, the battery, and the charger. String head with the Echo speed feed. Way better than trying to put it on there, like back in the old days. And the handle. And the tool. It's attached to the handle. I don't need this big box anymore, whatever. I'm just gonna hold on to the serial number and the model number. We're just gonna yeet this box. Tastes great, less filling. So I only used high mode right at the end there. I was in low mode the rest of the time to conserve batteries. All right, we're getting all kinds of stuff done here and we're running out of daylight, but let me tell you the story about these deals I got today. Well, yesterday, this weekend. So a couple weeks ago at the big orange box store, I saw this sweet deal on this Echo brushless top handle 12-inch chainsaw. It's pretty sweet. And I had to have it. I thought, well, if it's still there, when I come back, we're gonna buy it for the land because I need to take care of these trees here and I have, other small tree work to do, and that small Ryobi hand chainsaw is just not enough. While it has quite a bit of power, it's just not enough to tackle the rest of the stuff. So I just want to, get to work and use it a little bit. So, it doesn't take very long. All right, so I got this thing on sale, and so far this thing's pretty sweet. Timber? Easy peasy. Bada bing, bada boom, eh? So I'll just stack these guys up for now. Put it right here over this leaf pile. If I don't clean it up before winter, then the bunnies will have a nice spot to rest this winter. Good enough for now. Time to go get the kids.